Okay, in this problem we are to find two numbers whose squares have a sum of 25 and a difference of 7. So I would suggest that you let x and y be the two numbers and pause this video and try to set up a system of two equations that accurately represents this problem in symbols. So give that a try and then check back after you've done it. Okay, did you set up two equations, x squared plus y squared equals 25 and x squared minus y squared equals 7? There might be slightly different ways you could set up two equations to mean the same thing, but this is probably the most straightforward way. Okay, pause the video again and see if you can solve this system of equations for x and y. Come back when you think you have a solution written out. Okay, the way I would go about starting to solve this system of equations would be the addition method. I would add the two equations together because I happen to notice that positive y squared and negative y squared will add to make 0 if we add these two equations together. So adding here we get x squared plus x squared makes 2x squared, and 25 plus 7 makes 32. And then, as I've said, positive y squared and negative y squared will add to make 0. Now what we have is x squared equals 16 because we can divide both sides by 2. So dividing by 2 we get x squared equals 16. Now taking the square root of both sides, x will be equal to positive or negative the square root of 16, and since square root of 16 is 4, it means we get x is equal to positive or negative 4. Now, once we have this answer, we can take this answer and put it into either of the original equations and solve for y. So let's just make a little room over here. And positive or negative 4, doesn't matter which one, when we replace x with either a positive or negative 4 and square it, we wind up with 16 out of each one. So 16 plus y squared is equal to 25. Subtracting 16 from both sides then gives us y squared equals 9, and y will be equal to positive or negative 3, square root of 9, taking the square root of both sides. Now notice here that if we plugged in a positive 4 for x, we get both positive 3 and negative 3 for the value of y. If we put negative 4 in place of x, we get both positive 3 and negative 3 for the value of y. So this is actually 4 answers here. So let's write the 4 answers out. So our 4 answers are 4, 3, 4, negative 3, negative 4, positive 3, and negative 4, negative 3. So I'm just going to put a comma in between each of these ordered pairs, and this is our solution set. So we actually have 4 ordered pairs for the x and the y here. 4 solutions. Find two numbers whose squares have a sum of 25 and a difference of 7.